WNBA star Brittney Griner pleaded guilty today to drug charges inside a Moscow area courtroom. She's been detained since February after vape canisters with cannabis oil were allegedly found in her luggage. Here's CBS's Huey-Burns.
Pleading guilty to drug charges in Russian court, Griner said she accidentally packed cannabis oil in her bag.
I would like to plead guilty on the charges. I had no intention on breaking any Russian law.
The WNBA star has been in Russian custody since February, and pressure is now building on the Biden administration to bring her home.
We are not going to ever be quiet until she's home safely.
The president responded to a letter Griner wrote him from prison pleading for action. He called Griner's wife Wednesday, telling her he is working to secure Brittney's release as soon as possible, as well as the release of Paul Whelan and other U.S. nationals who are wrongfully detained. But the Whelan family is still waiting for their call from the president.
You know, the White House says on the one hand, presidential calls, presidential meetings are not dispositive. They're not what's going to result in your family member being released. And then they do that for some people and not for others.
Griner's guilty plea, what kind of impact does this have on the negotiations to try to bring her home?
It will have no impact on any of the negotiations. We're going to do everything that we can to bring home Brittney Griner safely and to also make sure that we bring Paul Whelan back home as well.
Jonathan Franks is a crisis management consultant who worked on the release of Marine veteran Trevor Reed in a prisoner swap earlier this year.
A number of strategic reasons why people would enter a guilty plea, even if they are in fact innocent, and that may be what happened here.
Griner's legal team hopes that her guilty plea will lead to a less severe sentence, and they also hope the court takes into account her contributions to Russian sport, adding that she wanted to take responsibility for her actions. Jerika?
All right, we'll see if the strategy works. Thank you, Caitlin.